How to purchase Samurai Shib. So to get your hands on Samurai Shib, first of all, you'll need to have a MetaMask wallet set up. We're not going to go through that in this tutorial, but if you go to metamask.io, it will give you all the information you need. You can also install MetaMask as a Google Chrome extension. In fact, you'll have to do that. So to get Samurai Shib, what we're going to need to do first of all is 1, get some bone into our MetaMask wallet, and 2, bridge our bone over to the Shibarium network to then swap it for Samurai Shib. So first of all, I'm going to log into our MetaMask wallet. Just going to get my password and log in here. Okay, so now I'm logged in to MetaMask. I'm going to head over to Shibaswap and swap the USDT, or you can swap your Ethereum over at Shibaswap for bone. So I'm going to get some bone into my MetaMask wallet. So I'm going to go to shibaswap.com/swap. Up here, we're going to connect our wallet. So I'm going to connect my MetaMask wallet. I'm going to swap my USDT. So here, select the coin or token that you want to swap. So I've got my USDT. And then here we're going to select what we want to swap it to. So I want to swap it to bone. So make sure you select the correct token at this stage. So what you want is bone, and you want to have bone Shibaswap. When you do this for the first time, it'll actually give you a token address via CoinGecko. You can double check that it is the correct bone Shibaswap bone. I've already done that when I was on here previously. So I'm going to select bone. I want to swap my maximum 150 USDT. So hit max. There we go. Swapping that for bone. I'm going to hit approve USDT. And we need to approve this transaction in our MetaMask wallet. Next, you're going to pay a small gas fee in Ethereum. You'll need, if you're swapping, this is a good thing to note, if you're swapping another token, so I'm swapping USDT and not swapping Ethereum, you'll need some Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet to pay fees, which I have. So select yes here. In a few seconds, our transaction will be complete. So I'm going to hit the swap button now to swap my USDT for bone. And now we need to confirm the swap. It's going to open MetaMask. Confirm. We're going to submit the transaction. Once the transaction is completed, we'll then head over to Shibarium to bridge our bone onto the Shibarium network and swap it for Samurai Shib. Okay, that's good. Woof. Transaction submitted. Hit close. There we go. So we've swapped 150 USDT for 352 bone. Let's go over to Shibarium. I've headed over to shibarium.shib.io/bridge. When you first get onto the Shibarium website, though, you'll land on their homepage. What you'll have to do is you'll have to hit bridge tokens, and there'll be a button here that says connect wallet, connect your MetaMask wallet. Bridge tokens from Ethereum over to Shibarium. So I'm going to bridge my bone to Shibarium mainnet, bridge all my bone, and hit transfer. So what will happen here is you'll have to wait 20 to 30 minutes for the bridge to work. So don't be alarmed if it doesn't work straight away. Just be patient and it will work. We're going to pause the video here and we'll come back in 20 or 30 minutes with our bridged bone. You'll be asked to confirm transfer, and at this stage the estimated time could be 30 to 60 minutes. Like I said a minute ago, don't be alarmed if it takes a little bit of time. Okay, so it's been about half an hour, and what I'm going to do first of all is ensure that I've selected Shibarium chain as my wallet chain instead of Ethereum, which is what we were on previously and what the wallet will default to. So I've selected Shibarium chain. I'm just going to refresh the browser. And if I go down here and do select token, now we're on Shibarium. I just need to recollect wallet. Here we go. So now we have 352 bone in our Shibarium mainnet wallet. So I'm not going to do anything else here. I was just doing that to just show that the bone had been bridged onto Shibarium, okay? So with bone on Shibarium, we're going to now go to Shibaswap. And then make sure our wallet is connected and Shibarium network is selected. We're going to click on bone because that's what we're swapping. And then I'm going to go back to Samurai, scroll to the bottom of the page here and get the contract address. So if I click here, it's going to bring up the contract address. You can select copy here. We'll copy that to clipboard. Back to Shibaswap, select input token, hit manage, tokens, pop that contract address in there. And as you can see, it's brought up Samurai. We're going to import the token. Trade at your own risk. I do understand that, and I've checked that contract address is correct, and this is not a fraudulent coin. I've imported it, and now let's trade some bone for some Samurai. So I'm going to do 50 bone. That's going to get me quite a few Samurai. And down here, this is going to tell me how much Samurai I'm going to get, price impact it'll have from this trade, and any liquidity provider fees. We're going to swap, confirm swap. You'll have to confirm that in your MetaMask. I'm going to go yes. Woof. Transaction submitted. Close that. Now if I go to MetaMask, swap is currently pending at the moment, so we're just going to have to wait for that. But if I go to tokens, select import tokens, we can copy that Samurai contract address we used a minute ago into MetaMask. There we go, it's brought up the token symbol. Go next, import, and there we go. The swaps worked, and we now are quite a big holder of Samurai. Happy trading.